This is the DJI Osmo Pocket, an all-in-one 3-axis gimbal stabilised camera that absolutely anybody can use. FREEWELL Gear have now produced this amazing piece of kit which complements the DJI Osmo Pocket and the Pocket 2 absolutely perfectly. These ND filters simply slot into the back of the lens, which then connects straight to your camera magnetically. With the ability to add ND filters to the back of the lens, this means we can now set our shutter speed at double our frame rate to ensure we get that perfect motion blur. To demonstrate this, you can now see we have our frame rate at 24 frames per second, our shutter speed at 1/50, adhering to that 180-degree rule. Without the help of an ND filter, as you can see, we are massively overexposed. If we set the Osmo Pocket in auto exposure mode, you can see the shutter speed gets completely ramped up to expose our image properly. The trouble is, if I now wave my hand in front of the camera, we're not getting very much motion blur at all. The image looks horrible and jittery and really not what we want. However, if we now set our shutter speed back to 1/50 on a manual setting, and then add the anamorphic FREEWELL lens with the ND64 in the back and do the same thing, you can now see we get that proper motion blur. The wide angle lens is absolutely perfect for those that want to use the Osmo Pocket for vlogging and gives a much wider field of view. The anamorphic lens also gives us those beautiful blue cinematic flares as previously mentioned. Another huge plus to the anamorphic lens is you get a natural black bar widescreen look without compromising on quality once you have actually de-squeezed the footage in your video editor. Most people do actually cheat to get these black bars and just add them using a pre-built effect in a video editor. The trouble is you're actually losing some of your picture quality, whereas, as I say, using the anamorphic lens you actually get the full intended image once de-squeezed, and those black bars at the top and bottom are actually natural. So I'm now going to run a short video to highlight the capabilities of the DJI Osmo Pocket when paired with this kit from FREEWELL Gear. So that shows how good this piece of kit absolutely is. You can get so much more correctly exposed lens flares, wide angle footage using the DJI Osmo Pocket and the Pocket 2. Should you decide to buy your own, there will be some buying links in the description below. Take you straight to Amazon to get your own. Thank you very much for watching and see you again soon.